Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing way to get rid of saggy hands and flappy hands. Okay, now these things can be embarrassing. Sometimes you might not be that fat, but there's an accumulated of fat at your hands area. This amazing ingredients would actually help you to get rid of it, and you are going to be happy you tried this out. So without further ado, let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a like, subscribe and share, and let's go. Okay guys, so you're experiencing those flappy hands and those dangling hands. I've got a solution for you, baby. Okay, so the very first ingredients we're going to be needing for this is this, and you have to use red onion. Okay, now the reason why you have to use red onion is because red onion is actually more effective and more strong when it comes to the activeness. Red onion is more active. Okay, so that's why you need red onion for this flappy hands ingredients. So this is it. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be slicing the onion into pieces. And then I'm going to be putting them into a bowl, setting that aside. We're equally going to be needing to use ginger, guys. Now ginger is an amazing ingredient that works wonders for the body. It helps so much to rejuvenate and make your body feel very light. It helps to tighten up your skin. Now when you drink it from the inside, it works so much more effective from the outside. Okay, what you do now is that we're gonna be preparing it. Then okay, so after that is done, then I'll have to cut it into pieces. Grab that same bowl that I put my red onion, and then I'm going to pack it inside. So I'm going to be washing it so we can actually just sanitize and clean everything up. And after doing that, I'm going to be grabbing a bowl. And then we're going to be putting a little water to blend this very smooth. Then I'll grab my small blender and blend this really well. Blend it for at least 10 to 20 seconds. So I blended this for 13 seconds. Okay, and it is set. So what I'm gonna do now, I would love to sieve out the chaff. For me personally, I don't like taking the chaff, especially when it comes to ginger. So I'll press out the chaff of this. So this is the two ingredients and it looks good already. Okay guys, so the very next ingredients we're gonna be needing is this, and this is lemon. Now lemon is a great ingredient that works so much in the body. It helps so much to remove fat, it helps to tighten up the skin, it also helps to remove flappiness of hands. Okay, so I have a cut of lemon here, so I'd rather use this one. So what I'm gonna do now is to squeeze in the lemon into this amazing juice. Okay, so now here it is. I'll give it a little stir. And I'll equally set this aside. It looks really good and yummy already. So I'm gonna be needing to use cucumber. Now when it comes to cucumber and tightening of the skin, my dear, you need cucumber a whole lot when it comes to tightening up the skin, tightening up your hands, and making your skin tighter. So I'm gonna be taking just a little of the cucumber. I would first wash it, okay, so I can have all of this clean. And then I'll cut them. Now because of the water in cucumber, it helps so much to flush out toxins from the body. It helps to clean the colon. It helps to remove unnecessary, unwanted, accumulated body fat, and it also helps to increase the elasticity on your skin, therefore making your skin tighter and beautiful. So after which I would have to be turning that into a blender. And then I love to add a little bit of water to this. Okay guys, so I blended this in two sections because I chose to use this small blender. Alright, so my cucumber is all ready and set. I'll be sieving it into this bowl. Alright guys, so done. And now I would have to be turning that into the same bowl. So if you have those flappy, those dangling hands and you want to get rid of them, you need this, because this is gonna be the savior to getting rid of those flappy dangling hands and those saggy skin. Alright, so when you take this, it's going to help you from the inside to tighten up your skin, removing excessive fat. Now when the fat is removed, your skin is going to begin to get tighter, and it's going to begin to get, you know, even smaller. Okay, so your civic is going to begin to come out. Now you have to drink this for at least once in a week till you begin to see a huge result. Okay, because this is not going to take too much of time, but of course you need to be consistent when it comes to natural things like this. It does not only tighten up your flappy hands, removing fat, it equally helps to clean up your body and make you really healthy. So go give this a try. I'm sure you're not going to be regretting you did. So that's it, guys. Go give this a go, and I'm sure you're going to be loving the taste. And it does a whole lot of stuff, not only getting rid of your fat at your arm area, but it's also get rid of, you know, some reasonable fat. And then, because when you're too fat, you're beginning to look old. Okay, so that's it. Go give this a go, and I'm sure you're gonna be loving it. And stay away from too much of fatty food, carbohydrates, sugar, sugary drinks and stuff. Okay, so